Either you are trying to run ads for drop shipping, or you are trying to run ads for your products or services, or you are trying to just promote your page generally for you to be able to get more views or more fans. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to get over 7,500 views with just $1.19. Listen to me very carefully. I was able to get views as low as 40 kobo per full view. Of course, a lot of people will call this a bluff, and I'm actually going to show you the proof on my screen right now. But before we get into that, if you have been finding it difficult to pay for your Facebook ads in Nigeria, be rest assured that you can always contact me through the link in the description box, and we can be able to get you that PayU Naira payment method if you are in Nigeria. Let's get straight into it without further ado.
Over 7,590 video plays, that is video views, for total price of 930 naira 22 kobo. Now you're going to see that is a total price of just $1.19, $1.19, and you're actually going to see that cost per true play is 47 kobo. That is 0.47 naira. It's not even up to 50 cents. Do you understand? Now it's not up to 20 cents. So I'm going to show you how to be able to do this right now and how I was able to achieve this. Now if you like this kind of content, kindly hit the like button and subscribe right now, and drop your comment. Say let's go in the comment section. So how was I able to do this? Then the first thing you have to understand that before you run any Facebook ads, you should have set up your payment dashboard. Do you understand? Like I have here, if I go to billing and I open billing in a new tab right here, click on payment method, my payment activity, you are going to see that I've been able to add some payment. If I click on add fund, and because I'm in Nigeria, that is why my currency is showing in Naira, and that is why I have Naira payment with PayU MasterCard. This is one of the easiest form of paying for Facebook ads in Nigeria here. So if you're in Nigeria and you don't have this in your account, you can chat me using the link in the description box below. So let me go back to my dashboard, and the first thing you want to do right now is you want to hit on that create button. Okay, now once you click on that create button, the first thing you want to do right now is you want to click on engagement. Now you're going to see get more messages, video views, post engagement, page likes, or event responses. Don't forget that. And the next thing you want to do right now is click on continue. Now when you click on continue, then the next thing you want to do right now is you want to scroll down and you want to click on next below here. Now when you click on next, then you are going to get to the next page. Now the next thing you want to do right now is you want to scroll down. Okay, you want to scroll down and you want to check out this objective we have here. You're going to see the first one, which is messaging apps. No, you don't want this. Get people to engage with your brand messenger. No. Let me just keep right to the point. So this is what you want to click. You're going to click on your ad. Get people to watch a video or interact with your post or event. You're going to click on that, which is the second option. Now once you do that, then the next thing you want to do right now is you want to scroll down. Then you're going to get to the engagement type. You're going to see video views. Okay, you're going to see video views. That is what you actually want to check. You want to click on, and the performance goal, you want to click on maximize true play views. Okay, that is what you want to get people who actually watch the video to the end. So let's go down. I'm going to go down. Let's just click on this show more option. What is actually opening? Okay, you are going to see when you get charged, you're going to see impression. You can always click on this place to check if this thing can be edited, and you can see it cannot be edited because there are some Facebook ads account that has not built authority for them to choose true play, only impression. Then the next thing you want to do right now is you want to scroll down. You want to scroll down to the budget, and you can just input anything you feel like using as your budget. I just used 930 naira, which is $1.19 to run this test ad for me to be able to use it to make this video and show you how I was able to get it insanely cheap as that price, because there is no excuse for anyone not to get attention and visibility for their videos and business. So that is why I use that cheap price. So originally I might want to use maybe 5,000 naira per day. You might want to input, if you're in another country, you might want to put $5 per day, you might want to put $10 per day, you might want to put $20. And if you want to use 1,000 naira, you can use it, no problem. But for me, I'm just going to put 5,000 naira. And the next thing I want to do right now is I want to go down. I'm not going to set a start and end date. You can just try to do that on your own. If you want to set an end date, you could just click on this and select the date and month, and you can be able to do that. So let's just click on this show more option. What's going on? Okay, there's nothing there. Just go down. Then the next thing you want to do right now is you want to, in the locations, you're going to see location, which is Nigeria. We have Nigeria. You're going to click on edit, and you can target the countries or the location you want to target in your country. So as for this, I have Nigeria here already. I don't have anything I want to include. So you are advised to start with the location of your country if you are just trying to follow this thing out and you are trying to test out what I'm teaching you. Do you understand? So don't forget that the more you target, the more expensive it gets. So for us to be able to get it for a cheap price, I'm just going to target within my country, which is Nigeria. Okay, don't forget that. And so the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down, and once you scroll down, then you're going to see a button here which says switch to original audience option. Okay, once you click on switch to original audience option, then the next thing you do is actually scroll to it, and you're going to see what you've set, Nigeria, age, and you will see an option that is going to show for detailed targeting. You're going to click on edit, and you can input your interest here. Now I won't want to input an interest in this place. Do you understand? Because number one, I don't know what you speak about in your video. I don't know what your business is about. I can't just give a general audience by which you not go and use it on your video and you start feeling like I gave you the wrong thing. Do you understand? I'm just trying to be very, very clear here. So I'm just going to use a particular interest as an example here. Let's say, for instance, I just want to target small business owners. Let me input small business owners, and you're actually going to see the suggestion here. I'm just going to click on it, and these are the people I want to target. Paraventure, I just want to target. These are the people I want to target. So if you need a particular audience for your video or for your business, for you to get in front of the right customer, because this is the art of your advert, then you can use the link in the description box, and get to me. So we are just going to scroll down right now. As you can see, we have an estimated audience size of 2 million to 2.3 million, and with a reach of 8.2k to 24k. So I'm just going to go down, then I'm just going to click on this placement. Okay, I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to click on manual placement. Now focus more on this place. Do you understand? Because you can actually make a mistake here and choose a placement that is not even optimized for video views. So you're going to see these devices. You're going to click on edit. Do you understand? You click on it, and you're going to tick off the desktop. You're going to leave that mobile devices. Okay, then for the platforms, you are going to tick off Instagram, tick off Messenger, tick off audience network. Okay, we are not running it for Instagram ads. Tick off these three ones: Instagram, Messenger, audience network. Leave that Facebook, and the next thing you want to do right now is you want to scroll down. And once you scroll down, then you're going to see different kind of placements. Tick off the stories and reels. Tick it off. Tick off in-stream ads for videos and reels. Tick off search result. Go down, and that is it. Okay, these are the placements by which you want to leave in your ad. Only the feed, Facebook feed. Do you understand? So this feed, the feed means it's going to show in people's homepage as they scroll according to your targeting, and also in the video feed according to your targeting. That is going to target these two feeds, the video feeds and the homepage feed of those people who are in the targeting you made. Okay, that, and you're going to click on next. So immediately you click on next, then you're going to see something like identity. I'm just going to leave this ad name. You can name it anything you want. Do you understand? So for this identity, you are supposed to choose the particular Facebook page you want to promote. Okay, you want to use as the representative of your video. So you're just going to click on it, then you're going to click on personal pages. You can see the amount of pages you have here. So I'm just going to click on Ayo is marketing. Okay, this is my page which I want to promote, and you can click on this ad preview here, ad preview. Okay, so once you do that, then you want to scroll down, you're going to tick off this multi advertiser ads. Okay, then once you tick that off, go down and you're going to go to the media section. Now you want to click on add video. Now immediately you click on add video, either choose to upload a video here, okay, or choose to get a video from your page by clicking on page. And you're going to see the list of videos that you have on your page that is being uploaded already. Do you understand? So I'm just going to choose one here. Do you understand? One video that I want to promote here. I can either choose one here and click on next, or you can either go to account and upload a video here. So I'm just going to click on the page. I have the video here already. I'll choose this one, and once I click on this, then I'm going to click on next. Then immediately I click on next, then the next thing I want to do right now is I'm going to click on next as well. Okay, so immediately you click on next, then the next thing you want to do is, if your video is vertical, just leave it at original if you want it to be vertical. But if you don't want it to be vertical, you can just click on 1.1 recommended. Do you understand? This is actually going to crop your video to that particular size. Do you understand? So whichever you want to use, I'm just going to click on original, and I'm going to click on next. So once I click on next, then the next thing I want to do right now is I'm going to click on done, and by so doing, you're going to see my video being uploaded. So once I click on done, then the video is showing here as it's supposed to do. So you're going to see even the advantage creative, you're going to see fully optimized. Okay, and these are the preview of my video placement on each and every placement I have chosen. I'm going to go to the primary test. Just ignore just as you are creating this ad, you need to just ignore this error that you are getting here for some time, especially if the error is not pertaining to whatever you are trying to do. Do you understand? So just continue creating your ads. So I'm just going to click on, I could just type in anything. I will teach you how to target the right customers by crafting out your target audience. Okay, by crafting out your audience, if you use the link in the description box. So the next thing I'm just going to do, this is just for an example, then the next thing I'm just going to do is I'm going to scroll down. You're going to see add destination. Okay, now this add destination, you could decide to tick it off if you don't want to refer people to an external link or website. Do you understand? Okay, you could decide to add a destination, but if I click on add destination, then I could just scroll down and input a headline, input a description, and the destination website is going to be here. So I could just say, okay, fine, headline, I'll just say get more sales. Okay, I could just say get more sales, and I'm just going to scroll down. I'm going to skip the description, and I'm just going to go down. Then I'm going to go to website. I'm going to click on website. Okay, I want to send them to a website. Then I'm going to input the website URL by going up. I'm going to put it in this box, so I'm just going to input it right now. You can choose to preview the URL if your website URL is complete. You are always advised to do that. So the next thing you're going to do right now is you have to scroll down, and once you scroll down, then you are going to see how the advert is, and the next thing you want to do right now is hit on publish. Immediately you hit on publish, your advert will be submitted for review, and once it meets their guideline, they are going to approve it, and your ads will start running. Simple as ABC. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.